Manipur University ki Center for Human Rights and Duties Education amadi Department of Law anina khutsam naduna Freedom, Equality and Justice for All haiba thimda International Human Rights Day 2023 ki thauram Manipur University ki court hall da pangthokre. Thauram aduda MU ki Vice Chancellor Professor N. Lokendra Singha, Guwahati University ki School of Law ki retired Dean Professor Romesh Chandra Borpatra Gohar, Manipur Human Rights Commission ki former member N. Jinongyai, School of Social Sciences, Manipur University ki Professor T.S. Purnima Amadi, Department of Law MU ki Head Dr. Y. Premananda Singhana, Athoy Bemithung Singh Oina Saruk Yake. Thoram aduda Guwahati University ki School of Law ki retired Dean Professor Romesh Chandra Borpatra Gohana Haiki, Mahak Matam Kayagi Mamangdagi Hauna, Lamdam Masiki Miyoi Kayaga Tabak Dominadana Lakli, Manipur gi Miyoi Sing Minungsi Chawbada Natana, Katokba Amadi Mating Pangnabagi Chatnabi Asi Ubada Chawtok Sab Afawi. Manipur asi mahaki ani subayumni hairaduna mahakna hai hiram khuding makta thoidok hendokpa thongna leiriba lamdam asida tha nipan pharaklaba irang asi athuba matamda loisenba oirasanu haina fongdoki.
And thirdly, for the 7 months, the people who have innocent people, civilians who have lost their life without negligent crime, I pay homage to the departed soul. I pray to the Almighty for giving them the eternal peace. And I think realizing this situation, whoever we are, in whatever standing we are then in our society, from today there should be some intellectual hope that this is the day where from we will contribute for the all-round development of the state of Manipur, and so to the other parts of the country and the world that Manipur has innovatively revived its own culture, tradition and heritage, which is recognized by the world.
Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor N. Lokendra Nahaiki, Kumja Lising Amaga Chanipan, Nifunipan ki December Tarada International Human Rights Day Lauktokiba Numit Adudagi Hauna, Ngasi Fauba Malemgi Mafam Kuding Makta Thoramasi Pangtokuna Lakli, Manipur University Nasusenduna, Palan Thoramasi, Mapalamgi Masak Naiba Professor Yauhanduna, Pidi Batim Asi Mapung Fana, Kanganaba Pandamda Sinbani, Tataret Helaba Lamdam Masigi Lan Asiga, Chahi Asigi Tim Masiga, Mari Lainabana, Lamdam Masida Haujik Oidiba Lan Asi International Meeting da Unanaba Pangtokpani, Manipur University ki Oina Department of Law ki Building Anauba Ama Sangaduna, Park Chowna Tamnaba Hotnari Haiki.
Masigi Handaki team asi Prithivida Pongaiba socio political changes loina northeastern India da Maruina Manipur da tha taret nipan lairiba akhoi crisis amadi unrest mayam sing asiga yamna chanaba theme ne na koina lojei masigi theme asi akhoi international declaration of human rights ki first clause adu da yawgani adu masigi theme asi India ki constitution dasu phajana akhoi mayek sing na adu reflect obani aduna handaki international day of human rights as celebrate tobu loina Manipur University ki tarafdagi hanaki theme asi ki makada koi Manipur da leiriba koi ki crisis sing asi international perspective amada ado national perspective government of India constitution ki framework da yenge hairaga akoi ki leiriba situation asi phajana understand to ngani na koina masima lawi